Building with Papa. Okay, I'm going to show you how to install this Canless light kit. It's LED and it has multiple colors. It's a really nice set. I really like to use these. I use them as much as possible. It gives the customer the desired light they're looking for. I usually set them on the highest one and recommend a dimmer, but it's their preference. All right, this is the junction box that comes with the light. You open it up and it has all the wires. There's only 3. Black for power, white neutral, and the green and yellow is your ground. All right, this is the ceiling in the kitchen, which there are no lights. Took down this little Yankee thing that was pretty horrible. But it's a drywall ceiling, so it's going to be very simple. I want to put them over the stove and the sink and the refrigerator. So I mark the center of where I want to put it and then measure off the back wall. And I get my 6-inch hole saw because I'm using the 6-inch light. Cuts through real simple. You see the metal hi-hat there? These things are so slim that doesn't even affect it. It still fits in there. It's only as thin as the drywall, or as thick as the drywall is, so it works really well. I only had the one piece of metal that I wound up being there, but it worked out. Okay, now that I have all the holes drilled, I'm going to pass my wire through. I'm just using a 14-2 wire. It gives me the black, white, and the ground that I need. So I pass it from the last one, and I'll start wiring that one first. You unscrew these and they just pop off, so you're just going to work with the junction box. You open the hole or the knockout and you put in your connector, and you wire it in white to white, black to black, your ground wire to the green and yellow wire, which is the ground. They're really nice and thin. They pop right in, really simple. That's the first one in. Now I'm going for the second one, which is now it's daisy chained. I'm heading towards where the power actually is. So I work my way all the way over there. Even though I have the power off, I like to do that one last. They have these really nice little clips. Just clips onto the back of the drywall. And then your front clip, you just fold it in and it goes over the drywall. And that's it. Just snaps in really nice. Okay, so now the third one and the last one. I've come over to the point where the power is coming out of the breaker box. I tie all that together. And do the same thing. You pass it in, the junction box stays above the ceiling, and then your wire connected to the light. Again, you can only plug it in one way, screw it on, put your clip in, fold this clip over so it's over the drywall, and boom, it just snaps into place. Looks really good. And just slide it over a little bit. Takes care of anything that's showing. The 6-inch hole saw works fantastic. All right. Well, that's how it is. Real nice and simple. And man, what a difference it made in this kitchen. All right. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.